Capriciousness.
Okay, great. So, hi guys.
Capriciousness? Did you actually say that?
So, today we're going to be learning qualitative versus quantitative.
That's my.
So, these two words describe two traits that every sense of data that you guys will collect in the next few months will have. So, what is qualitative and what is quantitative? Well, qualitative means qualities. It means things which, characteristics that a certain object has, a certain point of data has. And quantitative means numbers and data. So, let's start off with a simple exercise. Pretend that I have a cup of coffee. Could you give me some descriptions of the coffee? What would it be? Yes.
It's warm.
It's warm. Okay. Alright. Yes? Next.
It's an empty ceramic cup with lines coming out of it.
Empty ceramic cup. Yes.
It's dark.
It's dark. Okay. Good. Any more? Just shout them out.
Steaming.
Steaming. Uh-huh.
Bitter.
Bitter. Okay. Good. So, what did we just do here? We took a cup of coffee that I so elegantly drew on the board, and we described it with words. That is qualitative. These are qualities of coffee. Qualities, they're pretty common. I mean, I don't think you guys will have much trouble with them. It's what we see every day. It's the things that we experience. It's normal for us. Like this marker, it's red, it's round. Those are qualities of it. Quantity means you have to ask yourself, when you're doing quantitative measurements, that would be numbers, measurements, things that go in a spreadsheet. If I had a cup of coffee, what are some numbers you could tell me about it? Yeah.
There's 7.2 liters of coffee.
Okay, 7.2 liters. It's a lot of coffee.
That is a lot of coffee.
Any other numbers? Yeah.
Exactly how warm it is, like 25 degrees Celsius.
Ned, anything? Any numbers?
How heavy it is?
How heavy it is? Okay, well, something. How heavy would you say a cup of coffee with 7.2 liters in it? That's
27.2 liters. 20 ounces.
20 ounces. Good.
A lot of coffee.
So, alright. These are quantities, they're numbers that you can ascribe something. And that's just a cup of coffee. What about... Alright, so... when we're measuring data in the lab, like some of the labs you guys will do in the future, you're going to have two columns. One is going to be observations and data. And so what you want to do, alright, so for observations, we want you to look, see, or look, it's the same thing. Look, I guess we won't be doing much smelling in physics. Look, feel, hear. Use your senses. So, what just happened?
Pen hit the desk and it fell.
Okay, pen hit desk and it fell.
You failed really hard.
The pen made a noise when it fell.
Pen made a noise. Could you tell me what kind of noise it was?
Like a thwacking.
Like a twacky. Good. Use your senses. Anything else that you noticed?
The pen was blue.
It was blue. You can see the pen was blue. Good. Those all belong in your observations. These go here. Now, data is going to be a bit trickier. So, oops. When you guys do data, what we want you guys to do is measure, record, and measure and record. So, now for this time when I throw the pen in the air, I want you guys to count in your heads how many seconds it takes to come down. It doesn't have to be exact, but let's have a number, right? Okay. So,
3.861
3.86.
Maybe 2 seconds.
Maybe 2? Okay.
3.
3. Alright. And that is data recording. Yeah. So, we have observations. The pen hit the desk. The pen was blue. The pen made a noise that was twacky. Then we have some data. How many seconds it took for the pen to fall. Alright, good. These are important to science because when we're doing labs and experiments, it's not enough to just say, oh, the pen fell, or oh, it took 2 seconds for the pen fell. If you really want to understand all the forces, all the stuff behind the pens, you need to know both your data and your observations. Yeah. All right. Let's see. What else is there? Yeah. All right.
Yay for Terry!
So,
Thank you, Mr. U.
So, because I have to do this, I'm going to end on a cheer. So, what we're going to do is, I'm going to start a beat, and then I'm going to point to you, and then you're going to say a word.
Wait,
Any
are
word?
these now?
No, not any word. Sam? Okay, good. Now we have a beat. Sam, numbers, data, observation, science.
Science. And we say it all at the same time. or
No, no, you say it one at a time. So we go. Observation. Science. All right, let's go. From the beginning. Science. Yay! All right, great. Good job. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Terry. Thank you, Terry.
Okay. I'll send you an invoice.
I hope it recorded.